This is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to show pronouns on Instagram to public. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Instagram allows you to add your pronouns to your Instagram profile. This can be public, or if you will prefer some restriction, you can show your pronouns to your followers only. If you are under 18, your pronouns will be hidden to followers only by default. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. You can tap on your profile. As you can see, here's my pronouns. Before we make these pronouns to public, I will show you from my other account to see if we can see that pronouns or not. As you can see, there's no pronouns. We cannot see the pronouns from the other account that didn't follow this account. So let's change the settings. Let's make the pronouns to public. I will switch to my other account. First of all, of course, we have to go to our profile. You can tap on your profile. Now you can tap on edit profile. Tap on pronouns, your pronouns here. You can see there is an option show to followers only. The toggle is active. You have to unactivate the toggle by tap on the toggle like here, over here. And then you can tap on the upper corner here. So if this toggle activate, when it's turned on, only people who follow you will see your pronouns. So if you want your pronouns show to public, you have to turn off the toggle. Now you can tap on the upper right corner here. Let's go back. We can see the pronouns, and let's see from the other account that didn't follow this account. Now they can see my pronouns. That account pronouns is appear on public. Even this account didn't follow my other account, they still can see my pronouns. So that is how to show pronouns on Instagram to public. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!